like, what's this? I say, my auntie.
Auntie who?
Monique did it.
Okay, you guys, so I went off camera and I put some rhinestones around the heart and also around like this little sand that I have right here. That's a really tedious, like you really got to get up close because you don't want to get glue all on your pieces, because if you do, it's not going to look right. Like it's going to look tacky and just nasty, like glue everywhere. So I went off camera and like I said, I did that. I didn't pull back the paper yet because I was about to do that. I said, let me record it because this is the best part, pulling back the paper. Got some, see what I mean? Like with that glue, like how it would just be everywhere. And you always got to go behind yourself and clean up afterwards. This one didn't have too much glue on it. I was shocked with that one. Alright, that's the last one. The last one, y'all. Hey, y'all see it? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below, you guys. Thanks for watching and thanks for supporting me and my little channel. Until next time, you guys. Peace. Today, you guys, I'm just announcing the 100 subscriber giveaway. Yeah, let me face my camera the right way. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today, you guys, I'm doing that 100 subscriber giveaway. So without further ado, I'm just going to jump right in it because I don't want this to be no long rolling out video. I'm probably going to insert this into one of my DIY tutorial videos. But our first place winner is Tamika Randolph. Congratulations, Tamika. You can either leave a comment below or you can direct message me on Instagram. Whatever way you prefer to claim your prize. Was Desi Rivera. Desi Rivera, you are my second place winner. You can do the same thing. Leave a comment below or direct message me on Instagram. My third place winner was Alicia Carter. Congratulations, Alicia Carter, as well. You can do the same thing. Leave a comment below or direct message me on Instagram. Thanks everyone for all their likes, their comments, their subscriptions. To all my silent viewers, thank you so much. Guys, don't forget to continue to like, subscribe, and to comment. And I really look forward to your comments, you guys. So definitely leave a comment below. And also you can shop at my website, Designs by NYC, where I put a lot of my custom made cases on there. And I put a lot of my pre-made cases on there, and you can always purchase customized cases from me. I do those as well, or whatever it is that you need customized, I can do it. So thanks everyone. See you in the next video. of course. So yeah, sit back and watch me work.